Are you experiencing weak network signals or slow internet on your mobile phone? Are your calls unclear? And does your battery drain quickly because your phone is constantly working? Searching for a network? In this video, I'll guide you on how to adjust your SIM card settings to improve connectivity, boost internet speed, and extend battery life. So let's get started. Method 1. Check the connection strength. Open up your phone's app on your phone and type *#*4636 #*#*. After that, select your SIM card if you're using multiple SIMs. Otherwise, it won't ask. Tap phone information and now look for signal strength, which depends on the brand of the phone. The network signal level can be called differently. In my case, this is signal strength. If the previous code doesn't work for you, Method 2. Change network mode. Open up the settings on your phone, then tap on strength. Type network mode or network type. In my case, this is network mode. I'll tap on network mode and then again, I need to select network mode. And here, select 4G or LTE. This will also extend the battery life of your phone, because if the 5G network is weak, the phone uses a lot of battery power to connect to it. Method 3. Change APN. Open up the settings app again. After that, tap on search and type access point names. Then tap on access point names again. And again here, select your access point names from the internet. Then scroll all the way down and select here bearer. You probably have unspecified selected here. First, uncheck the box next to unspecified. After that, select these network LTE and others. So, you need to select network starting from LTE up to EVDO _B. Then scroll all the way down and select NR. Then tap OK. After that, scroll up, select authentication type. Depending on your mobile operator, phone model, and even your region, the internet might work faster for some people if they choose PAP, and for others if they choose CHAP or PAP or CHAP. So, what you need to do is check your internet connection. This is very easy. Just type internet speed tester into Google and you will find many websites to test it. Note that some settings and options may vary depending on your phone model and operating system version. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.